Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 most popular magnetic nail designs from my past videos. Magnetic nails have become a staple in the world of nail art, and with so many new styles coming out, I wanted to spotlight the designs that you all love the most based on view count. I'll also be sharing the tools and step-by-step methods I used for each look, so be sure to stick around until the end. Alright, let's get started with number 5. Number 5 is the Ombre French design with 27,000 views. This ombre style French design features a subtle gradient effect, something that took off in the US and later became a trend in Japan as well. To create it, I shifted the magnetic particles to one side of the nail. Then reversed the direction at the tip to form a French-style shine. You can check out the full tutorial in the video linked in the description below. Number 4 is the Baccarat Nails design with 46,000 views. Inspired by the elegant look of French Baccarat crystal glassware, this design gives off a delicate glass-like effect. After applying the magnetic gel, I added a top coat, rubbed in some aurora powder, and used icing gel to draw several thin straight lines. The result is a transparent, classy design that's perfect for summer. Number 3 is the Quilted Nails design with 64,000 views. This plush quilted pattern has a soft and dimensional look. I applied magnetic gel, topped it with aurora powder, and placed small bullion beads evenly across the nail. Using them as a guide, I added raised lines with icing gel to finish the quilted texture. Just one accent nail like this can really elevate a simple one-color manicure, perfect for special occasions. Number 2 is the Cherry Blossom Nails design with 66,000 views. This sweet spring design is super easy to recreate using cherry blossom-shaped holograms. Start with the pink gel color of your choice. Place the holograms. Then cover with clear gel to seal them in. Apply magnetic gel on top. Then use a round magnet on the top right and bottom left corners to create an S-curve effect. Layering magnetic gel over holograms gives a surprising amount of depth with minimal effort. Number 1 is the Magnetic Heart Nails design with 83,000 views. This design went viral both in Japan and the US. You'll need a small clip and magnet to shape the magnetic gel into a heart. By bending the clip into a V shape and attaching it to your magnet, you can guide the particles into a heart pattern. It may seem simple, but getting the placement right takes a little finesse. So definitely check out the full tutorial to get it just right. And that wraps up the top 5 magnetic nail designs on my channel. Each one has been super popular. And I'm so excited to see what magnetic trends will come next. If there's a design you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.